Welcome to AI Chef. Today we're crafting a classic but elevated lemonade. With the power of AI, we'll unlock flavor secrets and create a truly refreshing experience. Get ready to sip on sunshine. First, we'll awaken the lemon's citrusy essence. This is where our AI steps in, suggesting we gently roll each lemon on the countertop before cutting them in half. This helps release more juice, maximizing flavor. Now it's time to extract the lemon's golden nectar. Squeeze those halves with gusto, letting the juice flow freely into the pitcher. Notice how the aroma fills the air, a promise of the deliciousness to come. Next, we add the sugar. But not just any sugar. AI suggests using organic cane sugar for a richer, more nuanced flavor. We'll add it to the lemon juice and stir until it completely dissolves, ensuring a smooth, sweet base for our lemonade. Our AI analysis suggests using filtered water for the purest taste. Pour the water into the pitcher, ensuring it's chilled for a refreshing experience. Remember, the perfect lemonade is a harmonious blend of sweet, tangy, and refreshing. To truly unlock the lemonade's full potential, we'll give it some time to chill. The refrigerator allows flavors to meld and create a delightful, balanced beverage. Our AI suggests chilling for at least 30 minutes, but longer is always better. Finally, it's time to enjoy our AI-enhanced lemonade. Fill your glasses with ice, ensuring they are filled to the brim for a refreshing experience. Then pour in the chilled lemonade, letting it cascade over the ice, the perfect combination of chilled and refreshing. Take a sip, savor the refreshing coolness and the perfect balance of sweet and tangy. This is AI Chef's lemonade, a taste of sunshine crafted with precision and care. Thanks for joining us today on AI Chef. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious and innovative recipes. Next time, we'll explore a new culinary adventure powered by the magic of AI. See you soon.